Over dispatch on National.
Lead 6-4 just
Global dispatch, good morning, this is Lead 6-4, showing about 10 feet to the fire at this time.
And 2 Charlie Kilo, public dispatch on Air Guard.
Going to be laying the line between that little
fire up over there
in the residential neighborhood.
And you'll probably beat the lead plane there, or you'll be at the same time there by the time you get spooled up.
9.
Vortex check, sir.
Plane engineer. Good luck.
Go. I'm you.
All right, brother.
There's light camera action. Ready? 6-4, MAFFS 5. Departed all those speeds. Be there in about 5 minutes.
Okay, MAFFS 5, 10-5, 3023, Eric.
Thanks. Pretty slow down. 10 knots, I'm sure. Reviewed pilot.
Read co-pilot.
Sounds good, sir.
What side of the plane are they going to be on? Left side.
Taking one small helicopter coming up.
Okay, you can roll out this heading.
East side.
Go by that one over there.
West of the tower, and he'll stay low level.
That little one up there.
That'll work, sir.
Cedar
Where are you?
Heights home's right down there.
We're right back at 6 o'clock, probably about a mile and a half back. We're going to be hitting that north side, you're just coming over. The ridge line, but he's not to proceed west past those towers. But we'll keep an eye out.
Have an altitude reset. I'm going to hold on here.
Yes.
Let's go flaps 50.
Flaps 50 here, Jesse.
Number final for the show me.
You can take Victor 1 if you're...
Hey, lead, this is MAFFS 5. We have MAFFS 3 in sight if we can swing it.
Okay, short final here, MAFFS 3, and you'll see a bunch of painted red rocks, and the smoker's right below. It's going to be the line right here. We're going to start right at the bottom, heading 305, no lower than about 9,200, or 91, and then right through here with your load. And MAFFS 5, if you can kind of watch this, I get some good intel.
System status is on.
In position to see it.
Slow down checks complete load.
Shuttle checklist is complete. MAFFS 3, the base. MAFFS 3, right to the base. Here we go.
Is that lead that just went behind us at 4 o'clock?
No, that's air attack. They're out in front of us here. They're going to drop off the left side.
Alright. Yeah, they're out about 11 o'clock there, Joe.
Right. Stephanie, did you hear that, 11 o'clock?
Combat camera's got a good angle on it.
Yeah, he's got a real good shot of it. Do I need to swing out more if we used to?
No, I'm perfect.
Airboss sold before like our same altitude, that's what I was asking. Say again? Airboss just looked at same altitude, that's what I was asking. Okay, yeah, I was a little high there, Jeff, that's probably why. Thanks. No problem.
They're going to start those bright red rocks there, I think. It's going to be the line.
That's the line.
Yep, looks like it.
Coming up on the spot. Start it right here. And then take it all the way down the line, right through here.
Oh, that'll be a great shot.
Off and left.
Yeah, you don't get much better than that, camera guy.
Information to pass on. Flight for life. Helicopter 109 Lima November.
Looks like just to the right.
Was that all of it? That was the whole thing. Let me come over and take a look at it. Stand by for a second. I don't know if they're going to want to load and return or not.
Okay. Copy, we'll stay above. Let's do this one. 172.
Point air attack, lifeguard 3 is with you coming off of San Francisco Medical Sound, climbing through 7,700. We're still about 5 miles east of the TFR. We're going to be south side of the TFR, westbound.
That is negative.
Head on down the line. Nice job.
Thank you. Stated by words on load return.
Well, yeah, we'll have the air tech make a call on that. Right now, she's looking pretty good. Be heading about 270. We're going to start here first. It's going to be a start. Well, maybe it might take the whole load. And I want to go all the way.
Okay, we got that.
Why don't you?
Ron, if you want to drop back down there and give us a good start point, then give me some. Yeah, you said we were going to go around on this one anyway. If you want to drop down there and just give us another look at that line and start point.
Well, I'm kind of way in too top. You got me in sight?
Yeah, we got you in sight. Verify you want this one 6 all for now, right?
You bet. 6 all for now.
Okay, we got you in sight. 4 no fractor. Copy, thanks. And 6 all, guys.
Copy 6 all. Left wing
if you come around again, you just hang it over one.
Right on in, and we're going to take it all the way to the heel.
I'm sorry, say that again there, Lee.
30. I'm going through 150 now, and we'll widen it out here, and we'll go to the downwind.
Gotcha. A little bit long on him. I'll put him on.
I'm going to start inching her down a little bit here. I'm at 10.5.
Thank you very much. And what was the helicopter down there in the valley?
Yeah, they're working that road.
Copy that. I realize I'm inside of them. I'm just trying to.
It's all right.
Where the smoke starts on the top of that ridge line.
That black, there's a good black.
On the base.
There's like some orange rocks there too. A little far on it, but it's pretty clear.
There's a smoker right here. I want you to start it right before that, heading 270. Up to it, start it right here, and take it all the way down the line. You'll see some old black ponderosa pines, and you're going to end it right here.
All right.
You got the line.
You have the line.
Break. On speed. 300 feet.
A little bit rising train.
Checks.
Ready.
Point Alpha Alpha Cobra dispatch on National.
Road clear. Class Epco, sir.
You're clear to come.
Pressure's coming on.
Will do. And MAFFS 5, real good. And nice line. And air attack, lead 6-4.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you got one little smoker outside the retardant line down here. You got eyes on that?
Yeah, we've been hitting that with the helicopter. We're aware.
You bet. Yeah, I'd ignore you.
Got about the Air Force Academy. We're out here.
Okay, no, that was a real nice drop, sir. Real nice.
Good lead. We'll hopefully see you here shortly.
You bet.
Air attack, Cobra.
Pops.
We'll just leave